getting started, finding your place in game development, roles and fields of the industry.
Testing and quality assurance. Game tester and quality assurance, or QA for short, are vital parts of the game development process, and they are responsible for playing, testing, and finding defects in the game. In some cases, early testing begins at the pre-production phase by testing prototypes and new features, but more often than not, testers usually begin their work later in the production phase, after a playable game build is available. Once testing begins, testers and QA are involved until the end of the development process, even well after the production phase has officially ended. In fact, they're often the last people to finish working on the game. Game testers. Game testing involves playing a game before it's released and recording errors, bugs, frame rate inconsistencies, and entertainment value. Similar to starting out in the mailroom or an intern, becoming an in-house game tester is said to be a good way to start a career in the AAA game industry. The benefits of starting this way are mainly due to the fact it offers you the opportunity to network within the company. Additionally, many companies will post their jobs and hire in-house before posting their job opportunities to the public, which can allow qualified candidates within the studio an opportunity to ascend to a more desirable position. Quality assurance. QA, or quality assurance, is often confused with testing. However, unlike testing, QA involves establishing and adhering to standards and procedures for game development. QA's main roles and responsibilities include ensuring the game meets the design, programming, and code standards set by the game developer, as well as process monitoring and product evaluation. The roles of QA and tester are often combined in many studios, and depending on the studio size and budget, QA or testing, sometimes both, will be outsourced. Since testers are exposed to all aspects of game development, the testing department is a good starting point into a career in the game development industry. There is no formal training or experience needed for a game tester position. In general, testers are people who enjoy playing games, have an eye for detail, and have the ability to analyze problems and articulate them. Testers should have good writing and oral communication skills so they can clearly describe a bug to the developers.